Hey everyone, what's up? It's Zachary back again with another video. Today I'm going to be making another accessory piece, some fingerless gloves slash like arm warmer kind of things. I've seen a few people on TikTok styling them and I really like them. So I've got this shirt that I was just going to get rid of because the sleeves are too short on me, but I really like the material. The like ribbing of it is pretty cool, pretty fun. I don't have like a set plan of what I'm gonna do, but kind of have an idea. So that's kind of like where I want them to land on the hand, like right about the knuckle area. And then I want to have like a little thumb hole too. And I kind of have an idea of how I might be able to do that. I'll show you that when I do it on the sewing machine. Yeah, I like how they are, it's like kind of loose on here. So I'm gonna cut it just like a little longer than I want the final thing to be so I can have like a finished hem on this end. Obviously this end already has a finished hem. And then we'll see if I need to add like elastic or anything to keep this up. Yeah, so I'm going to start by cutting both sleeve pieces to the desired length. I feel like that like amount of bunching up looks pretty good, right? Maybe I'll cut it like there, which is about 12 inches. Cut it at 13 just to give extra wiggle room and seam allowance. I am going to be using my handy dandy grid ruler and my rotary cutter. Make sure I get that nice straight line. I got this lined up at the 0 mark here. Gonna line the ruler up at the 13 line. Also, honestly, might turn this shirt into a short sleeve shirt because that was the reason I wanted to get rid of it, was because the sleeves are too short, but no, that might not be an issue. So it's a 2-for-1 special. There's like a little hole in the front, but we all have holes, am I right? So time to cut the other side. Got 2 symmetrical pieces. Sorry, I just malfunctioned there for a second. Honestly, they don't come down too much, which I appreciate. I appreciate them for that. I was worried they were just gonna come down like that and be like, but yeah, they're kind of staying up pretty well. I think especially once I finish the little hems. But yeah, so since this is a raw edge here, I'm gonna either I'm debating if I want to do a double fold or if I'm gonna do a zigzag stitch over the whole edge to prevent it from fraying, and then just fold it and stitch it once. I may do that second option just because it'll be less bulky, and I think if I do the double fold, it might be too heavy and fall down. Also, isn't the shirt pretty cool? I've been loving this blue color recently. Obsessed with it. Got it from St. Vinny's. I like how it's like kind of bordering on like Hawaiian vacation shirt, but it's not. And like the illustrations are really cute. Up close view. And I've also got these nice, okay, when did this turn into an outfit of the day? Whatever. I've got these nice little carpenter jeans, got some nice distressing on the feet, but I'm not going to show that because I'm not wearing any socks and you don't get that for free. The coffee is hitting right now. Alright, let's get back on track. Yeah, I'm actually really excited because I think I'm definitely going to just keep this. I actually think this will look really cool. I'm actually going to try this on quick. 1 second. And with these, honestly, this could be a look together. Okay. Let's get our butts over to the sewing machine. Like I mentioned, we're going to be going all around this raw edge that we cut using a zigzag stitch to make sure we don't have any fraying happening. You could get the same effect with the serger, which I do have, but I broke one of the needles and I don't really feel like redoing that whole thing right now, so. Okay, change of plans. I literally got like 5 stitches in and it's just like, it's not working. So, I'm going to do the folded version. What I'm trying to decide is if I want to have it just be like this and have a little stitch line like how it is down here, or if I want to have it be like a little cuff and be like folded this way and kind of have like a little finished cuff, which I do think looks kind of cool. I think I'll do it that way. Okay, so we're having it right side out and we're going to fold the raw edge down toward the outside and then down once more, so we'll have that finished edge like that. I'm going to sew this one first before I pin up the second one, just to make sure for sure that it works. This should work a lot better since it's a little bit thicker, got a little bit more structure to it. I did the other side as well, and they were both pretty loose around this part right here. So I've flipped them inside out and kind of pinned where I'm gonna take them in a little bit from here all the way up. Gonna be taking that in and then cutting off the excess. Same on this one, and then they'll fit much better, I believe. I'm gonna be using a zigzag stitch for this. I'm gonna start up here to make sure this part stays aligned. Okay, so I just got to the part where it lines up with the existing seam, so I'm gonna do a little back stitch here. Then I'm actually gonna put my needle down, and I'm gonna flip it inside out, or not flip it inside out, just turn it around, and then I'm just gonna follow that stitch line right back up, just to make sure it's doubly secure. So yeah, I'm gonna cut out the excess, probably leaving 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch. There you go. So yeah, then my idea for the thumb hole is just using this existing hem that's here, opening it up, and then like folding the parts down and sewing there. I think that'll work. Yeah, I think I'm gonna cut like open from where this folded part is right here, where that part ends, to where I just ended that seam. I'm gonna start with that and then see if that's big enough. Alright, that's about how big I made that opening. I'm gonna go ahead and mimic what I've done so far onto the second one. Just taking out some of that excess, making it a little bit better fitting, and then opening up the little thumb hole. So I'll be back once I've got both of those to that point. Shut the hell up! Anywho, my plan for the thumb holes, I've got them back inside out. I'm basically just gonna fold it open and zigzag stitch them down on either side. It's kind of hard to show this, but I'll show you once it's done. Now you can kind of see it. I just zigzag stitched down those edges. And this one should be done now. Ooh, look at that. Very happy with it. It actually looks very good. They're kind of almost like, not necessarily reversible, but like the one side has the like ribbing that's all close together, and then this side has the far apart, and they could be worn on either hand, so you kind of show off whichever side you wanted to. Kind of cool. But yeah, I'm gonna go sew down the thumb hole part of the other one, and then we'll try on both together and maybe style a little outfit with them. I'm carrying you on my on my tripod. It's a little loose. Got them done. We're gonna go style a little fit with them. I should honestly vlog with this giant tripod. I'm keeping the jeans that I have on because I want to. I don't know, like I don't need a reason. And I'm not gonna do shoes because you can't see them anyway. But I'm gonna change the shirt. I'm just doing this because it goes with the gray vibe that we've got going on. Gonna change quick. Alright, this is the shirt. It is a Suzuki brand shirt. Advertising one of their motorcycles, I guess. I don't really know. I found it at a thrift store. Love it. Yeah, the gray vibe kind of goes. I'm kind of giving like fighter. I don't know. And then to amplify the motorcycle vibe, I'm gonna wear these glasses, which are also thrifted. And I'm gonna shut my closet door. That doesn't have anything to do with picking the outfit, but it just is a better background. I can't really see with these glasses, but alright, let me look in the mirror. Ooh, I look cool. Yeah. Ooh, I like these. kind of cool, kind of fun. Yeah, there's kind of like a simple little accessory, but definitely elevates a little fit. Guess they make me want to dance apparently. And yeah, these sunglasses are pretty cool too. $2. Anyway, that's all for this video. Subscribe if you want to see more in the future. And yeah, comment if there's certain things you want to see me try to make, or just any video idea you want me to do. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace! Doom! Let's try with my new thing. Doom.